Hello everyone, so in this video I'll be explaining to you about the solid state, which is the chapter 1 of class 12 syllabus chemistry. Moving on straight, let us see the definition of solid. The solids are the substances which have definite volume and definite shape. In terms of kinetic molecular model, solids have regular order of their constituent particles, which may be atoms, molecules, or ions. These particles are held together by fairly strong forces. Therefore, they are present at fixed positions. The properties of the solids not only depend upon the nature of the constituent particles, but also on their arrangements and the types of forces which hold the constituent particles together in a tightly packed arrangement. There are two types of solids which can be classified on the basis of nature of order present in the arrangement of the constituent particles. They are crystalline solids and amorphous solids. Let us see the crystalline solids. The substance whose constituent particles like atoms, ions, or molecules are arranged in a definite geometric pattern in three-dimensional space are called crystalline solids. The next one, amorphous solids. The substances whose constituent particles are not arranged in any regular arrangement are called amorphous solids. Now let us see some of the distinction or the differences between the crystalline and the amorphous solids. So based on their property, we have shape. Crystalline solids have definite characteristic shape, whereas amorphous solids have irregular shapes. Order in arrangement of constituent particles. Crystalline solids have regular arrangement of the constituent particles. They are said to exhibit long-range order. Whereas amorphous solids, they do not have any regular arrangement of the constituent particles and they have short-range order. The next one is melting point. Crystalline solids have sharp and characteristic melting point, whereas amorphous solids do not have sharp melting point. They gradually soften over a range of temperature. About the cleavage property, crystalline solids, when cut with a sharp-edged tool, they split into two pieces and the newly generated surfaces are plain and smooth. Whereas in the amorphous solids, the two surfaces, when cut with a sharp-edged tool, are very irregular. Maybe said it is rough. The next one is enthalpy of fusion. They have definite and characteristic enthalpy of fusion, whereas amorphous solids do not have definite enthalpy of fusion. Next, anisotropy. Crystalline solids are anisotropic and have different physical properties in different directions, whereas amorphous solids are isotropic and have same physical properties in all directions. Okay, so isotropic or anisotropic. Isotropic means having a similar property or physical properties in every direction, whereas anisotropic means having different physical properties in different directions. The next one is the nature. Crystalline solids are true solids, whereas amorphous solids are pseudo-solids and supercooled liquids. Some of the common examples are crystalline solids. For crystalline solids, they are copper, silver, iron, common salt, zinc sulfide, potassium nitride, etc. Potassium nitrate, etc. Amorphous solids, glass, rubber, plastics, etc.